Hi, this is Dr. Sara Jernigan with Jernigan Nutraceuticals, and Lymogen is what I'm going to explain to you today. We have used Lymogen a lot for Bartonella and a lot of co-infections of the Lyme disease. Bless my son's heart, he had Bartonella and he had to go through life thinking that he had the cat scratch scars on his back, and it looked like everybody thought we were whipping him. So we understand Bartonella, and it's not easy, and it is not a one-time bottle fix. So, but this is a tool that helps the body heal, is Lymogen. And so you just have to be consistent when it comes to dealing with that wonderful infection. And so the main thing you'll start hearing me talking about is a new verbiage, and that is quantum technology. And the reason why our remedies are different than most is like, I feel like most everybody is operating using the matrix analogy in the red pill zone. And so where we with our remedies is like getting people to take the blue pill zone, blue pill, and now we can see the real enemy. And now I'm communicating to the body, I need you to turn around, look at Mr. Smith, and that's your enemy. And you need to break it down to the original substances like carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, and release it out of the body. And so because these artificial intelligence or bacteria and viruses, a lot of times they just hide and they bend light and they project themselves. So it's like, so we use frequencies to get the body to turn around and look and see who the real enemy is, and the body heals itself. But so we're communicating, saying, this is what I need you to address. So this is how the Lymogen was made. And of course, we're people, and we decided to name it Lymogen. But I have used it for so many different things besides Bartonella, and I wanted to express that to you as to why this is a great remedy for anything that involves the chest. And I even use it for a cold, if that's what it tests out to somebody. So I want to read the ingredients to you, and unfortunately I just can't keep it all in my head, so I have to just put it on paper and read it to you. And one of the things we added to it was the white willow bark. I wanted a pain reliever in it. So many people are dealing with pain, and I wanted just a natural pain reliever in it to help the body with that. We also use, and it also deals with inflammation, and any illness is all about inflammation. So anything that can help the body reduce the inflammation, we're going to go for it, right? Then there's Yadan, and this one is anti-malarial, anti-inflammatory, antiviral effects, and then the other one we use is Daigupai, and this one improves the cellular function. It is helping with the immune system, boost it by removing antioxidants. And then we have Matranzin, and it is another antioxidant compound. Got to get rid of those toxins. Got to get rid of those free radicals if you want to get the body to heal. And especially if I'm telling the body to break something down into its original components and release it, we need the body to help release it out of the body. Then we have aloe vera. Aloe vera is an interesting product. It deals with seizures, asthma, cold, ulcers, bleeding, amenorrhea, colitis, depressions, diabetes, glaucoma, multiple sclerosis, peptic ulcers, varicose veins, bursitis, arthritis, and vision problems, and kills parasites. Salvia root, Danshan, is used for circulation problems, ischemic stroke, angina, pectoralis, other cardiovascular diseases. It is also good for chronic hepatitis, abnormal masses, insomnia due to palpitations and tight chest, acne, psoriasis, eczema, and other skin conditions. So you can see how that would help with, we're in 2020 and what's going on, how it is preventative, or if you get something that has occurred during this time, then you can see how just that one right there would really help your body heal. White peony root calms the liver. You always want to take care of the liver when you're trying to work with the body to heal itself. it alleviates pain, and it this is the second herb that actually helps with the menses, that regulates blood deficiency. So the other one was also the salvia root, the danshin. So it's also good for people who have menstrual cycle problems. Then we have Sculptura root, and this is traditionally used to treat respiratory infections, gastrointestinal infections, allergic rhinitis, jaundice. It is also good for viral hepatitis, nephritis, pelvic inflammation, sores and swelling, and fever. It was good for scarlet fever, headaches, irritability, red eyes, flushed eyes, seizures, epilepsy, hysteria, nervous tensions, and this one is definitely bitter, so it's kind of one of the reasons why it doesn't taste so good. Then we have Wan Lian, and this is used for digestive disorders, but it works with high fevers, irritability, disorientation, delirium, painful red eyes, sore throat, boils, carbuncles, abscesses, and insomnia. Then in there we add Ba Huai Shei Shei Cow. And this helps, again, strengthen the liver and stomach and large intestines. It helps reduce abscesses, toxic sores, ulcerations, and swelling. It also helps counteract snake bites and promotes urination and jaundice. Then we have Shan Yao. It helps strengthen the spleen, stomach, again, and lung. And then, of course, there's ginger. And we all know that ginger is great for motion sickness, morning sickness, colic, dyspnea, flatulence, chemotherapy, induced nausea, rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, loss of appetite, post-surgical nausea and vomiting, migraine, headache, and for, let's see, what else is it good for? Bronchitis and respiratory tract infection, cough. So this is a really great tool to have in your toolbox and to help the body heal, and use anyway, what I was going to say was that you can help the body figure out what it wants by, might as well just go there. You just take your remedy, put it on your chest, and then you put your left hand there, put your feet together, and if your body wants it, you'll lean forward. If your body doesn't want it, you'll lean back, and if you just kind of stay there, then it's okay. Doesn't matter. So test yourself out for it. See if this is what your body needs today. Sometimes you need it today and not tomorrow, and then you need it the day after. So this is what I wanted to tell you about Lymogen. All right, bless you.